Alden Richards, Jody Santamaria, and Mika Salamanca have joined the growing chorus demanding transparency from government officials regarding the use of taxpayers' money. Richards, in a now expired Instagram story, reposted a clip of Sara and Curly Descaya flaunting luxury vehicles in an interview with Julius Babao, captioned with a blunt wake-up call, "Gising na! Sobra na!" Jody Santamaria echoed the sentiment with a pointed message on her Instagram story, overlaying images of flooded streets. "We work hard, give what we can, and pay our taxes trusting they serve the greater good. But when they uplift only a few, true change rests only in our choices, but also in holding accountable those who deliberately break public trust." Mika Salamanca took to X/Twitter, reposting an Inquirer.net report showing Quezon City underwater, captioned, "Walang pipikit." In a follow-up post, she urged vigilance through the next election cycle. "Alam kong madilim na, pero hindi ito oras para matulog. Panatiliin nating dilat ang ating mga mata hanggang 2028. Kaya ba?" Vice Ganda, never one to shy away from commentary, revisited her song, "Aba, Matindi," a musical jab at corruption, reminding followers that her frustration isn't new, just renewed. Meanwhile, G22's AJ and Alfia turned their X pages into platforms for protest. AJ reshared a flood clip with a fiery call. "Nakikita niyo ba ang sitwasyon? Kaya bakit dapat hayaan at palipasin na lang? Don't let this die down. Someone should be held accountable." She later added, "Tumataas dugo ko sa Senate hearing." Alfia, equally incensed, pointed out the severity of the situation even in mild rain. "Hindi pa yun yung pinakamalakas na ulan na nangyayari sa atin. Saan napunta ang mga sinabing gagawin?" From screen idols to pop icons, the message is clear. This isn't just a trending topic, it's a call to action. As floodwaters rise, so does celebrity pressure, demanding accountability, transparency, and lasting change. The glitz may be in the names, but the grit is in their words. And if this momentum holds, the next big drama might not be on screen. It could be at the ballot box.